The ultimate high-protein vegetarian meal plan, 60 grams. High-protein diet plan. Struggling to hit your daily protein goals as a vegetarian? You're not alone. But the good news is, it's absolutely possible to meet your protein needs without meat. This ultimate high-protein vegetarian meal plan is designed to help you consume around 60 grams of protein per day using simple, wholesome foods. It's ideal for anyone looking to build muscle, lose fat, or maintain a healthy, balanced diet. Start your day with a breakfast of Greek yogurt and chia seeds, providing a strong protein foundation. Follow it up with lunch packed with lentils, dal, quinoa, and sautéed veggies. A nutrient-rich combination that's both filling and protein-dense. For evening snacks, roasted chickpeas or a handful of nuts work perfectly. End your day with a dinner of paneer bhurji, whole wheat roti, and a side of steamed broccoli, all adding up to hit that 60-gram protein mark. This plan is easy to follow, full of variety, and proves that a vegetarian diet can be both delicious and protein-rich. Stick to it consistently, and you'll feel stronger, more energized, and well-fueled every day.